Welcome to the graffiti jungle. Paolo Pulingue. Benvenuti nella giungla del graffiti. Questo è impostore Rockstar. They say patience is a virtue, but I ain't never wait long enough to say the motherfucker was true. Yesterday, I saw an interesting meme. It said, comparison is dangerous. You might be comparing yourself to where God has you and the devil has them. Now, I'm not sure how much I believe in either of the two, but I thought it was cool. So, we got these Zara shoes. Now, the issue is 10, 10 and a half, Adidas, Yeezy, Nike, Jordan. Sometimes it's a 10, sometimes it's 11, depends on the brand. This is none of those, this is Zara. So, it reminded me of the Yeezy 450s and the fact that it comes up, but it also might remind you of the Balenciaga shoe. So, let's just go ahead and see what it do. Now, it's a fabric knit shoe, so I'm hoping it look big. I'm hoping it's just not too big. I don't know. So this is what it looks like right now. Should have gotten a 10. I don't know. I'm pretty sure my foot's gonna be able to slide in there, that's for sure. We're just hoping that it's not gonna slide around, so. Oh, you know what they say? Be there or be square, because you're not around. So, I'm gonna try these on, and let's see what they do, hopefully. And if anything, they're not gonna be too tight. This little piggy said just right. So let's see. Actually, I may have hit it right on the head. It may be perfect. Now we're gonna have to spend some time in it. To see how comfortable they are, but also it's the fact that these pants are like joggers, so the pants tomorrow won't be like jogger like, so we really get to see them for how they are, what they look like. Now, similar to the Yeezy Pods, except the fact that it has a plate that goes all the way across the bottom. Similar to the 450s in the fact that it comes up like that on the side. So, these are nice. I like them. But the other part that caught my attention is that front part. You know what I'm saying? But as of right now, they're comfortable.
A few moments later.
Project Extinction, Spiritual Bandit, Kim Dynasty, Chief Jahara. So, last time we ordered just a shirt. It came in the bag, but this time we ordered a hat and a shirt. Now when it comes to the merch, it's, how do I say? I want it all, except for like the stuff that's for the women clothes. how do I decide which one to get at any point in time? So I just went with the one. I've been doing the fake Rockstar. You know what I'm saying? Tangential thoughts, we let that go. Been doing fake Rockstar, and then I noticed there was one picture of myself that I used a lot and I really liked. So we went with that. We went with that. So I ordered on Friday. And today's Thursday, so about a week. Now, when it comes to the merch, after doing some research, when it comes to the shirt, before I open the shirt, as I'm designing it, it always will tell me like you should probably shrink down the image to make it a little more clearer and things like that. I'm like, fuck it, I'm running with it anyway. So for me, like for instance, I like the fact that I don't have to worry about placement and the sizing for real. Like this can wrap around if I'm doing it myself. You know what I'm saying? So that's one of the things with when it comes to the shirts. I'm boxed in is where I can put the design at on this type of shirt that I'm liking right now. So that's what the shirt. The hat, we're trying to see. I chose the flat embroidery. So we're gonna see how well the design prints on the hat. And it's a trucker, but we wanna see how it looks on my head, of course. So here it goes. All right. We're definitely gonna have to bend the brim. We're definitely gonna have to bend the brim, but I'm rocking with it so far. We're gonna come back to this. It looks clean though. It looks clean. The shirt. Here we go with the shirt. Let's go. Just because. Just because. I don't have to. But if you have one, you might as well, right? Just because. Let's do that. Open this up. It looks pretty clean. I ain't even gonna hold you. We're gonna make it do what it do. Now with the shirt, the last shirt I wasn't able to cut the sleeve because it had the Project Extension logo on the sleeve. So this one doesn't. All right. Ooh, okay. All right. This is what I'm talking about. Like, I want this a little bit, I want this bigger. Like, it's not that big. It's not that big. Pause. But that deserves a pause. But here's the back of the shirt. I think this is either, this one might be called Ego. This one might be called Ego. All under the Narcissist collection. But I definitely want that bigger. As far as clarity of it, I'm not worried about that clarity, like the issue with the clarity of it. Like, if you look at it, like, you know what's going on. You know what's going on. As you see, it's supposed to maybe even come on the 7th. So today's the 3rd. Came a little bit earlier. Here's the shirt. So I'm gonna crop it, and I'm also gonna cut the sleeve. sleeveless, I can do that. I still have that option. Right now, I'm just taking off the sleeve. Just to see how it looks. I just gotta see how much I do and don't like, or if I want to change it up anymore. But for right now, I'm cool with this. Cool with this. We're okay. Well, we're gonna see. We gotta bend this brim. We gotta work on this brim being bent. The design is cool though. The design is good. It's printed up there nice and neat. We gotta work on this brim. I'm gonna tighten this up real quick. I'm gonna put some pins in it. But for right now, it's alright.